What's up, guys? My name's Danny, aka Thriftfish, and I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. Today's video is going to be focused on Poshmark. I'm just going to show you a couple quick tips of things that I do to market to potential customers and my social media following when I'm having a sale in my Poshmark closet. Sometimes it is hard to see in people's closets if they are having a sale, so I want to let my buyers know, especially those that are interested in things in my closet, that I am having a sale. So I just wanted to show you with a couple of step-by-steps, and hopefully it's helpful. Here are two listings that have banners that I've created. One that's made specifically to announce the sale. So you can see here in the title that it just restates that there's a 3 for $25 sale. And then this is my bookmark listing. I keep this the same all the time. But when I'm having a sale, I will go ahead and put the same banner up on the bookmark listing. If I actually go ahead and click into the listing, you can see, so my title's like to bookmark, and then this is usually the photo that would show in the listing, but since I am starting this sale, I put it as the cover photo for this listing for a while. I did give this listing a price because this is the listing that everybody should bookmark if they want to save my closet or come back to it, or be let know if I'm having a sale. So you can see I have 123 people who have liked this listing. So if I go ahead, and I'm actually going to like it so I can show you what happens. So if I go ahead and price drop this, edit the listing price, and just do whatever the calculated price is, and click update. Because I've liked this item, when I go to my notifications, whoever's liked that listing is going to get a notification that the price was lowered, so that is a trigger to go ahead and look at the listing and see that a sale is happening. So that's already 123 people who know that I'm having this sale. I've done this a couple times now, so they're probably upset with me that I keep doing it, but so that's one way to let people know that I'm having a sale. The next way is I'll go back to my closet. And because this sale applies to only items that are $25 and under, I am going to sort my closet by price, low to high. And then on the left here, I'm going to scroll and only show available items. So now we're starting with items in my closet that are at a low price point. So here's a listing that is under $25. So I'm going to find all the likers on this item, and I'm just going to click on each of their profiles. So this does take a little bit of time. I'll go into their bundle. I'll switch the bundle to sell view. And then that's going to display all the things that they liked from my closet. They've only liked one item, but I'm just going to go ahead and add this to their bundle. And then I have a text expander template for this, so I'm just going to type in 3 for $25. And then this is going to fill in my template, which says, hey there, just wanted to let you know that everything $25 and under in my closet is 3 for $25. Please let me know if you have any questions. So now they know if this is happening, so they might want to go back into my closet and find 2 more items under $25, and then I'll go ahead and send them that offer. It doesn't work every time, but it certainly does draw a lot more attention to my closet. Like I said, it is time consuming to go through every one of your items and find all of the likers from each item. But if you're really trying to drive sales, I found a lot of success from doing this. So this is just a way that I communicate with somebody in their bundle. So here is a case where we have somebody who has liked 3 items that are $25 or under. So I went ahead and from this area, I added all 3 of those items to the bundle. And then I can go in here and send the $25 offer. I don't use any shipping discount. So I'll just go ahead and submit that. And I will still go ahead and add my comment letting them know that I'm having the 3 for $25 sale, so they know why I sent them that offer, just because that may even prompt them to look for more things. So this is another way that I will market to people who have liked things from my closet. So there you have it. That is how I market that I'm having a sale in my Poshmark closet to potential buyers as well as my social media following. If you have any questions or if you have any other tips for marketing your sales, go ahead and leave those in the comments. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you like this content and want to see more from me, please click subscribe. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you again real soon.